This is the first day that I get to see the Bach sphere in the actual room where it's going to be exhibited at the museum. It's a premiere, it's a brand new work, so I'm nervous about it. I'm learning a little bit about how it looks, because at the studio we don't have this ample space. We have to just sort of imagine how it sits in the room. Sphere Packing series is a series of small, compact sculptures which enclose the totality of a composer's oeuvre. And the problem with Bach is that he was so prolific that there is no sphere that could possibly handle as many sound channels. So we inverted the concept. Instead of creating an object that holds all of the sound, we created a room. It's a room that is spherical, it's 3-meter diameter. It has this sort of feature of Venetian blind, so to speak, this shelves of wood that allow us to point over 1,100 loudspeakers, each of which is playing a different composition by Johann Sebastian Bach. The sphere has this kind of almost geodesic feel to it. It has an entrance. It allows 3 people, up to 3 people maximum, to go inside. And then inside, the experience is weird because all the speakers are equidistant to your hearing. So you get this flatness, is this really strange feeling, very unnatural. I wouldn't say it's pleasant. It's this kind of disorientation because the sound is emerging from all sides and is being in a way created in your brain. So the tests that we've done so far show that this device has acoustic properties unlike anything we have heard. And then in terms of the actual logistics of it, each one of these speakers is basically a small computer, and it's being controlled. All of the cables are running into the back. There's like a switchboard where the computer is controlling how they're turning on their volume and so on. Bach is the composer of overlap. You know, he's basically the person who most perfected the idea of getting 2 tunes, overlap them, and create something out of that overlap. So for me, this kind of ode to simultaneity and to layering comes in a way inspired by his desire to overlap tunes. Until the day of the opening and there's public populating the work, I'm not going to feel like it's complete. I'm not going to feel like I understand the work. It's in a way, it's an experiment. We don't really get to feel it and understand it until it opens.